see how this is going to work. So
Doing a little test run.
yeah, I got
Dig it.
streaming off my iPhone for the camera. I got all my monitors set up with Bookmap. So how many screens do you have, Nick? 2 or 3? Oh, good morning, everybody. Sorry.
You say 2 or 3? No, 1.
You just have one screen? You're kidding me, right?
We were just talking about that on stream yesterday. Yeah.
No, I've got 1 screen.
I suggested that you should get one of those side screens that we have.
Yeah, I'm going to have to look into that.
1 screen. That's good for you, man. That's multitasking 101. Good morning, everyone. Lance, Jordan, Chuck, Trevor. What's happening, guys?
Oh, Lance is here. Things are going to get funny.
Yeah. He's the first in the group, too. Typical Lance.
Yeah.
You've got to be number 1, right? Chat, how's my sound? I'm streaming from a different microphone and everything today, so bear with me. I was just telling the guys I'm streaming from how I'm going to do it in Mexico. So I got my laptop, my iPhone running and all this stuff. So I'm just trying to figure it all out.
Test run.
So what are we looking at, guys? Any idea? I guess we're sitting above this previous day's point of control majority of the night. We had a little bit of a move down through here after the London session, but nothing much really. And then back above it. So that's kind of what I'm looking at.
Yeah, it's been nice support, for a bit here.
Yeah. You know, we have orders on below us and above us. More orders below us down here, kind of around previous day's point of control, but let's see what happens. We got news at 9:45. I don't know why I feel like we have news at 9:45.
Let's see what
manufacturing index, I think, is today.
PMI or something, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Fed Powell talks too, 9:35. But they're not talking about anything important, I don't think, right? So
you guys on ES or NQ this morning?
I'm on ES. David, what about you?
I'm looking at NQ currently.
And I'm going back and forth between the two. We got this covered today.
There we go. Maybe I should trade it down.
Dave, I'm going to throw your screen up for a sec while I get my copy trader and everything going. If that's okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Make sure you're not doing any funny business in the background.
Yeah.
Funny business? Oh.
You know, taking trades into the open, 10 minis deep on a trade.
Yeah, he's 10 minis deep in live cattle right now.
Yeah.
Lean hogs.
Lean pork.
Yeah. Lean pork.
I almost took a trade yesterday actually on gold, my first trade at the overnight session there, or like last night. I got edged on an order. We're getting back to that edged commenting thing, but I had an order that got edged and it went to my TP after that too. So
on gold,
that's all good. Yeah.
Oh.
I've never traded gold before, so I figured, what the heck, let's give it a try. It looked pretty clean at the moment, and then I looked back a little bit later, and the price was just spotty, like, you know, gaps between the candles and stuff. I was like, oh my god, no, not trading this. Not now.
Yeah,
anyway.
it has been hitting all-time highs, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just wonder if gold moves more in the overnight session because the world we're like a currency almost. Good morning, Keith. What's happening? I feel like I haven't talked to anybody in the chat in a while.
Yeah.
You've been a little bit busy, Mr. Popular.
That's what happens when you got such good looking hair like mine. Look at why I'm just ripped.
Big time, eh?
Yeah,
We know it's all about the hair.
always, brother. Always.
I'm envious.
Is this gonna be like yesterday, guys? I don't think I'm gonna take a trade till the news comes in. So
No. Sit on your hands for a while.
it's definitely harder working off a smaller screen. I'm used to my bigger screen, so this is definitely first world problems.
You just need stronger glasses. That's what
Yeah.
it is. It makes
Hey,
everything
good
look
morning,
bigger.
James.
I agree. Good morning, James. How you doing? James is coming in from the UK.
Well, look at James.
Very nice.
Yeah, I don't really see much on NQ for orders either. There's some above, some below at 24,962. I could see those maybe wanting to get filled and then seeing what happens. Well, let's just wait till this news comes in.
Yeah, the CVD on ES is at 2,700 right now.
Already?
That's what it says.
Wow.
Yeah, mine says 1,000, but I think it's the way you have when you have yours reset.
I just reset mine at 7:30.
Yeah, so yeah, mine
9:30 New York time.
Oh, right at the open there? Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's just fired up a few minutes before that. So I got negative 500 now on NQ.
Yeah, I'm roughly the same as Dave.
Yeah, mine's the same on NQ. It's negative, well, it's 700 now.
Yeah.
Here I will pull my screen back up.
So show us what you got. I need a little guidance today.
Yeah, I don't know. I just, like I said, this previous day's point of control down here at 49, 749 is going to be kind of, a bit of a line in the sand for me. But where do you short it to? Like, what do we have for?
So this is kind of a weird thing though, hey Randy. You know how I've been marking both of the point of controls, right?
Yeah.
So like on that last little pop up there on ES, we rejected off the other point of control, like the regular trading hours point of control, and then finding support at the electronic point of control. So it's like stuck in between those two levels right now.
Yeah, see, now you really fucked me up because I'm not even looking at regular trading hours anymore for point of control because I trade everything off of electronic trading hours.
Uh-huh.
And I was talking to Zach about this, and Zach is electronic trading hours for his volume profile. So I was just like, you know what? If I'm using like a level, I gotta just stick to that level. Or sorry, stick to that time frame because I trade off electronic trading hours. Where Nick, you turn electronic trading hours off after the first 15 minutes.
15 minutes, electronic goes off, and it's all regular trading hours.
So I don't know if anybody's in a long right now or tried to catch any of this.
Yeah, so this is kind of one of those weird days where the two PLCs that I mark, they're like quite a gap in between them. Whereas if I look at it,
usually closer,
they're very close. Yeah. So for whatever reason, I guess obviously the price action in the overnight session.
Well, you said the lower POC is at 49 for ES, right?
Yeah.
So what's the upper?
54. We're
55?
just
okay.
Up over it there.
So this opening range is just bouncing between the two.
Yeah, it's above it. It's above it currently, but yes, it was
not by much.
Up until 38, or up until 638 or 938.
And then for everybody that's looking at my screen and wondering what the red, white, and green lines are, those are for my copy trader. Those are my execution signals. So those aren't a level. Don't want anybody to get confused.
Nice.
Good morning, Christine.
Hey, Christine. Morning.
What? Where is Christine?
She's getting ready. She's getting ready for her trip.
Okay. She's
acceptable.
Which I should be doing too, but instead I'm here streaming.
When are you leaving?
Saturday.
Damn, man.
I know. We got to
You guys
really
will be
start
in
packing
Mexico?
shit together. Yeah. Yeah, Saturday. We're leaving Saturday morning.
All right.
So I thought I'd get all this set up so then I could just pack it all away. So I want to make sure, give it a test run. I was doing it last night, playing with it all, making sure all my charger could charge the the laptop with everything running. So
Yeah.
okay, let's get this news to come in here in 5 minutes and shake out. That's interesting, that level at 54, 55 you're saying, Dave.
Yeah.
So, Randy, it sounds like you're really getting into Zach's style of trading.
I just like, I'm really comfortable with the session volume profile.
Yeah.
Like I really like to have those levels, and they help me a lot. There's actually another trader in the BSC, Mike Chambers, and he trades the overnight session. And I told him, I was on a call with him, and we were just talking about the volume profile, and he threw it up, and he's just seeing things a lot clearer. So, it's all how you see it. That's all, and it's your style of trading. Does it fit it? Is it what you want to see? I think it's one of those things that like everything works for everybody. Just for me personally, VWAP, bookmap, and the volume profile help me.
Getting a decent
Yeah.
pullback on the Mag 7 right now. That's why NQ is definitely heading lower. Looking the most bearish.
Oh, shit.
NQ's down as previous day's point of control. Or sorry, previous day's New York VWAP.
Yeah.
So Nick, one thing I noticed now with volume profile with me, I'm comfortable taking a trade below VWAP if I'm coming off of previous day's point of control, like I'm coming off a strong level. Where before, if I was below the VWAP, I wouldn't take the long.
You said if you were below VWAP, you wouldn't take the long?
Yeah, like I'm waiting for it to break VWAP, like as a confirmation. Where now I'm comfortable using, one of my volume profile levels. If it's shown as support or resistance, through the overnight session, I'll use it as now my entry signal.
So I've used pivot points to day trade with stocks, but I've never used a point of control.
Well, when you start to
volume
have it up on your
profile.
screen, you'll really start to see it price respect it and reject it, right? So
Well, I'm gonna wait for Zach's educational programming to come out.
Yeah.
Go through all of that, play with it a little bit, probably take just some paper trades with it and test it out.
Yeah.
That's smart. Zach is super, super knowledgeable. Like a lot of people.
Oh yeah,
don't know
absolutely.
about
It's
Zach.
just not my style. But I mean, the more you know, the better off you are, right? So
Yeah, James. No,
reward.
there's orders sitting up here at 67.56, but we got news coming in 2 minutes. So I want to see this news come in. You can see orders just came in down here at 67.45. So, which is basically, I think Christine pointed out that session lows.
what'd you say, 67.44?
Yeah. So I'm just, you know what, this is going to get shaky in the next couple minutes, probably when that news pops. I
Yeah.
don't need to be on the wrong side of that trade.
Yeah, I'm not playing with this for a bit. I'll be patient.
You can wait 60 more seconds. Come on now.
That's what I'm saying. I'm going to be patient.
I wonder if Austin took anything. Anybody watching the stream? I don't have enough.
I don't see anything there. Austin was having a little bit of trouble, I think, this morning with something. He was fiddling with something for a minute. So
he's trying to get his
camera.
Yeah.
He's been having issues with it. Okay, let's go. Let's see here what happens.
10 seconds.
Put some music on.
10 seconds on. Here's that news. Not a whole lot,
Yes,
a lot of movement there. We're bouncing back and forth, and it's like right on the 50s.
Yeah, maybe they're just going to take a second to digest it. PMI is 53.9. Forecast was 54. So we're just a touch under forecast, which is not much.
I wouldn't mind taking a long if we get a decent bounce out of this. Maybe try to target point of control or.
Yeah, no, I agree. I think so too, dude.
Yeah. But I'm looking for a closure above 964 first.
What's previous day? Previous day's New York is 956 on NQ.
Got a new fresh candle here. Dow's just so bullish. I'm tempted to actually take that long on ES instead, actually. With the way that the Dow's ripping.
Sorry, I'm just. Where that order's at? Oh shit! What just happened? Did I lose you guys?
Nope.
Nope.
I just lost everything on my screen. It froze for a sec there.
Ooh.
Oh, Dave, I'm gonna throw you up for a second.
Were
I
you?
gotta figure this out.
Yeah.
I got too many things going on.
Don't
What
want that
happened here?
problem.
I am in a long position on my copy traded account, so that's kind of what I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
Gotcha.
Okay, that's
You're in a long on ES.
yeah.
Did take New York there pretty nicely.
So I just picked up a new account with a new prop firm. Well, new for me.
What
I
firm?
ended up getting the futures desk.
Oh, nice. They got some crazy consistency rules, though. I thought, Nick.
Not once you're funded.
Okay, so I would double check that because we had this actually discussion, and Rebecca thought it was one way, and she was wrong. They have it set up like very tight, but like in a good way. But I know you don't like consistency rules,
Yeah, not even a little bit.
so let's see here. I think I got this working now. That's good. Let me pull this back up, guys. I'm sorry.
No problem.
Got some growing pains here, so
Nobody's mad at you.
So let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can get back above this Dave's, basically the opening range high. It's going to be the first break, so I'll look to take profits aggressively on this one. We'll see, but we got, previous day's value area high up here. And we haven't really touched any of these levels in the overnight. The session all-time highs are going to be up there at 56, so.
I just got in long with you also.
Hey, ES or NQ, Dave?
I'm on ES.
Not that better. Yeah, see, it's like even a different layout, like on my screen to make it bigger and smaller, but whatever. It is what it is. Good morning, Roy.
Hey, Dad. Good morning.
Yeah, James has got a question there on Bookmap, Dave. What's your opinion on, or what's your thoughts on that?
Let me just go back over to ES here. I didn't have that open yet.
Just orders above.
When you look at Bookmap and you have orders at 57.60 and 67.46, etc., what makes you have an educated decision on what you're going to buy or sell at? Well, like for myself, anyways, I don't really use Bookmap as an entry signal necessarily. I'm looking for, VWAP and other things to give me the entry signal, and then whatever signal it is, then I'm using those orders to target for my take profits. So I don't know if that's sort of the answer you're looking for, but
So I'll occasionally use the Bookmap for if you have a lot of orders at one level, if it breaks through or rejects at that level, then I'll take a trade on it. But I'm with you, Dave. I generally trade to it, not from it. But if I'm in a trade and I see a bunch of orders come on up above me, I'm gonna hold on to it for a little bit longer and let it play out.
nice, yeah.
Nick, did you end up taking anything? You're just sitting flat still.
Nope, I'm sitting on my hands for a little bit.
Nice.
I'm in
Just trying to be patient. We're
E-
over
eval.
VWAP. What's
Well,
that?
My long is in the take profit trader eval.
How's the Traders Post working for you today, Randy?
It's good. It's good. I'm definitely getting more comfortable using it. I was at a bit of a point where I wasn't necessarily taking trades in it just because I was like, it's so many accounts. What am I doing? This, and this. And it was just like, Thomas made a point of it because I was taking trades in my other, my other funded accounts with Top One. And he's like, why aren't you taking those in your copy traded? And it was just like, and they were all great trades. So this morning I said to myself, well, I'm taking a trade in my setups there. I'm taking it in the copy traded accounts. Like before I was taking it in the TOF accounts to start, if that makes sense, just to kind of, because I'm trading all these accounts. And so, but if I'm going to trade all these accounts, I got to have the balls to trade all these accounts.
Just keep it small.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Don't get overly aggressive. I mean, it's easier to make $100 or make $1,000 doing 100 over 10 accounts than it is on one account.
Yeah.
And you're trading what, 40 accounts now?
Yeah, 37 right now at the moment.
So so let's just look at it realistically. If you do a $200 trade copied across your accounts, $7,400. That's a good day's wage.
Yes, 100%. 100%, Nick. That's where it's like, even now, if we get a break of this opening range high, I would probably bring my stop up into profit. Because then even what was I gonna say? Shit, I forgot what I was gonna say. NQ got up to its New York VWAP and then rejected off of it. So
Yeah, I saw that.
well, I am still looking a little bit sideways. What is down in the Mag 7 today?
NVIDIA was down a little bit a few minutes ago.
Tesla's the only thing green.
What's the only thing green?
Tesla. And Christine's in a Tesla position. I love it.
Fuck Tesla. I'm sorry, did I say that out loud?
Yeah, Trevor, that's exactly how what the plan is, just to to take a payout out of certain accounts. Whenever they qualify, I'll take payouts. If they're Apex, I'll just take, X amount of dollars once I have enough buffer in there every couple weeks or something. I'll have more of a system to it versus just taking payouts willy-nilly here and there. Even I have a take profit account, 2 take profit accounts, pro accounts that I'll be they have daily payouts, but I won't be taking a daily payout. I'll just take it, once every 2 weeks or something. Kind of treat it like getting paid versus just the gratification of getting a small payout every day from their accounts. That's the one thing I don't love about the daily payouts. They sound so cool, but it's like forcing yourself to be like, oh, I can make X amount of dollars and get paid on it today.
Just because
where do you go to work and get paid like at the end of the day?
Yeah, and that's the way I think about it is just because you can doesn't mean you should.
Yeah,
no doubt.
Get a buffer in your account. Don't take a payout every single day. Take your payouts on a schedule, the same way you would if you were working a 9-to-5 job.
I mean, I think you'd probably take payouts whenever you can on all your accounts, don't you?
No, I don't.
You want to leave a buffer?
Yeah.
Nice. I guess when you're haven't taken many payouts, maybe you're gonna take a little bit more.
So the one thing I will say is your first payout you take, for me personally, and I'll tell everybody else, I'll give them this advice: don't worry about a buffer, just get to the profit target and take the payout. Pay yourself once. But once you get to a place where you have buffers and you can take multiple payouts, don't be in a race to take the payouts. Take them monthly. Take them every 2 weeks. But the first payout, take the payout and go out for dinner, do something nice for yourself, like celebrate.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Big milestone.
But once you start copy trading, if you're copy trading 20 accounts, every 2 weeks or every month, take a payout from 5 accounts. The next month or the next 2 weeks, take a payout from a different 5 accounts, and continue doing that.
Yeah, that way you can at least keep taking payouts like at sort of a consistent schedule.
And you keep and the ones that you haven't taken payouts on for 3 weeks, you've got 3 weeks worth of buffer in.
Nice, yeah.
I'm not loving this trade anymore, so NQ is really struggling at its opening range low.
Yeah, MES is just bouncing around too.
Yeah. And Dow's sort of curling over a bit, although it's...
Well, look at the consolidation on YM. Like, look at how small those candles have gotten.
Yeah.
Do we have news at 10 a.m. too? Did I miss something? What's the news at 10 a.m., Michael? Am I going to get smoked on news now?
U.S. note, high yield.
Oh, bond news?
Yeah, it looks like it. 2-year note bid to cover. If that's what he's talking about. Orange, yeah. Oh, manufacturing index, orange.
Huh.
Is that would be maybe, okay, yeah, Richmond Fed comp index. Is that what he's talking about? Yeah, a minute and 13 away. Yeah, we're pulling back pretty hard on this. Yes, I did add to it at the overnight VWAP. I'm only in at eight contracts, but so looking like maybe $115, $120 risk.
Damn you, NQ. And YM's just sitting there.
YM's kind of stuck now.
Let's see if we can hold this overnight view up and see what happens. Oh, and Bostic is speaking. Great. That's what I would. That's what I want to know. These Fed guys can say it's one silly comment and change everything.
Oh, these Fed guys aren't silly. They don't have senses of humor.
Yeah. I will give you that. I will give you that. Hey, give us some news. And no bueno.
Haven't said anything on financial juice yet. We're still waiting on the Fed. Waiting on it, they just said.
Oh, NQ.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's interesting, Dave, that previous day's point of control on regular trading hours, if it is where you say it is, we're having a hard time getting above that.
Yeah. It's stuck in between that range still, exactly. Because we've been bouncing off of that earlier, right? The electronic one.
I'll try and get Zach to come on stream with us one morning. We'll
Yeah,
do a
that'd be
little
sweet.
breakdown on what he does in scenarios like that.
I did put a different indicator on my just to check it out lately. It's not like it's just levels. It's called Spaceman BTC levels. I don't know what it says, but it's a 4-hour candle closure idea and daily open, that kind of stuff. So
I've heard of Spaceman, the indicator, before. Somebody else uses it for volume profile.
yeah, it's similar to volume profile for sure, right? Gives you an idea of what part of the range we're sort of in right now. So.
Good morning, Czar. Yes, Michael, the podcast is out, and we don't know why. I got to go into YouTube after stream, but it's not getting pushed by the algorithm. There's something that either we checked something off in the background or it's still unlisted. Can you guys see it when you go to the YouTube channel?
I'll go there right now, check it out for you.
Again, I don't have enough screens to multitask. I'm a lowly peasant now.
You will get used to it.
You just have your little side screen?
I have two side monitors, but one's got StreamYard open and a chart on it, and the other one's got 2 bookmap charts open. Come on now.
We were looking good there for a second, and then we got close to that POC and
just
then
the
lower.
tease.
Let's see here. There we go. Randy's channel. Oh, not Randy's. I want behind the pod.
Yeah, Michael sees it. Yeah, it came out yesterday, but for some odd reason, nobody likes to listen to Christine and I and Thomas talk.
Uh-oh.
It's the views are way too low. It's got to have something to do with the algo.
Uh-huh.
Like, it just doesn't make sense to me, but
This content may be inappropriate for some.
Yeah. There might be something in there that got flagged.
Oh yeah, this video may be inappropriate for some users.
It says that?
Yeah, as soon as you click on it, that's like the opening screen. So yeah, you guys got flagged for something for sure. Age restricted video requested by uploader. That you got to turn that off.
Oh yeah, turn off your
age restricted viewer.
Oh, am I gonna get tapped out here?
Oh, I'm really.
I just put on the gas a little bit.
Yeah, I might be getting out of this trade too here.
We'll see. I could move my stop down to the session lows.
Like a long time, but for someone that has never been able to trade,
I could see those orders wanting to get tagged down there, but
Nick, you're watching that right now?
Oh yeah, I pulled it up on my phone.
Oh, nice. I was like, I can hear.
I set it down next to the computer. I can't get enough of Randy's voice. I want it coming through 2 sources.
Oh yeah, makes sense.
And frankly, well, we all miss Christine because she's too busy packing.
Yeah. She's hiding in the background somewhere.
Yeah. Being a sneaky little thing.
See, I knew there was something was checked off or something wasn't done. Something happened at the algo because it was like the 2 lows. It had like 20 views, and I'm like, we have more than 20 subscribers. There's more than 20 people here in the chat that would have watched it. Hopefully, I think. They just lied to me. Come on, let's go.
I'll watch enough of it just to give you a view.
We just formed a bearish fair value gap on the 5-minute on the ES there. Let's see if we can. Hopefully, we can invert that. There we go. Nice little bounce above the start of day VWAP. Let's take that NY New York one. NQ is turning a bit right now. There we go. Keep going here.
It's going to bounce off that opening range low.
Like, come on, let's go.
Keep going. How are the Meg 7s looking? We getting some turnaround now? That's a bit better.
Yeah, just New York VWAP's in the way for NQ. Let's see if we can't take that. That would be nice.
Or we just create a lower high in the process?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Good.
NQ does have orders on bookmap above that, 24,975 and 25. What's all-time highs on NQ?
NQ's all-time highs were, that's I think it's 25,027.
Okay. Yeah, so there's orders sitting kind of up there, which I would just assume they would be resting orders sitting at all-time highs.
Yeah. We rejected sort of off that PLC again.
There's 138 orders at 24,200 too.
Oh.
I think that's drinking early on a Tuesday.
That guy's got the right idea.
We got a long swing planned out. What's your target there, Randy?
67.60, but I'm really going to take profits here back at the opening range high if we get back up there. But this is just, again, not looking good. I need NQ to hold either previous day's New York or get above its New York. Do something along those lines.
Yeah, that is.
Oh, Dave, your camera's not working.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, yeah, I never turned it back on. Sorry. Sorry about that.
Glad you're enjoying it, Trevor. That's awesome.
Austin sounds like he took a short. Closed a short.
Austin scalping a short.
Yeah, I'm not loving all these big wicks on the top side here.
No. No, this is just a bit of a struggle for ES, where YM looks like it's starting to push a little bit higher. So we can just hope. All we can do at this point is just hope. Smoke the dope.
I made a pretty good trade actually yesterday on YM. Took a short on. Well, it took me 3 attempts. I took 2 little tight shorts. Those 2 stopped out. First 2 stopped out down $60 and down $70. And then I found the top on the 3rd try. That was gonna be my last attempt, and then I ended up making like 800 something on that trade. So erased those losers and rode it from like the high all the way back down. So it was pretty good. I was
a
in
nice
like
strong
four-
candle open now
4
above this
minutes.
New York VWAP.
I'm just getting bored now. I haven't taken a single trade.
Well,
I'm proud
I've
of you,
been
Nick.
sitting in
You don't
this
want to be
trade
stuck.
right
You
now.
don't want to be stuck in this freaking
This is
bloody.
not. Yeah, this is not my
No.
day.
Yeah, like dude, that low, my stop was at 47, and that low was 47.50. So it was
Wow.
two ticks away from my stop there.
Yeah, mine was a little bit more like you can see where these actual apex, the stops are on the account. Like that's my fail safe. That's 10 points.
Oh yeah,
So I knew I wanted to be somewhere within there. That's why I had it a bit bigger than the opening range, where I just didn't, you know what I mean? I just opened it up a bit because I'm like, I'm willing to take 10 points of loss on this trade.
are you gonna trail this soon?
Yeah.
What are you thinking about that? How's that?
We're back at that level you were saying, are we not?
We're above it now. We're above the POC. We got Monday high and previous 4 high is up at 56. And then previous day high up at 57. So quite a bit of stuff up there.
Well, you can see in the overnight, it tried to get back up there and tried to get back up there and just couldn't. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to be a little patient for a sec here, I think. But it's definitely really struggling at that opening range high for sure, that level you're saying, Dave. The previous day's point of control on regular trading hours.
Yeah, we wicked below it again there.
Looking at NQ, it's been constantly down since the open.
Yeah.
I'm just looking at putting in a limit order right around 960.
For a short, you mean? Or for a buy?
Yeah. Oh yeah,
A
for
long.
a short. Not
Yeah.
going
Oh, for
long.
a short. I thought you were going to say along with buy from
No.
the bottom.
The trend is your friend. I'm not fighting this. Not fighting VWAP, and I am not fighting this solid downtrend for the last hour,
Dow is breaking out to the top side.
half hour.
We're above the 4-hour open, and we're above the previous 4-hour high. So
Oh,
NQ, of course, NQ is pulling us down right now in this trade. Biggest volume distribution yesterday was 57 to 44.
yeah, Czar's looking at a short on NQ. Maybe I should get out of my trade.
Who's looking for a short on NQ?
Czar in the chat, Nick.
It's right at my entry price right now.
Oh, why? What to do, Dave? What do you think?
I'm gonna wait here for this to play out a bit, but I'm gonna be a
Alright.
little more aggressive on their next pop. So
I am officially in an NQ short.
nice. Right at the New York VWAP.
Nick's fading us. Like, what the fuck's going on here?
I ain't no dummy.
Ain't no dummy.
Come on, Dow. Help us out. Dow can go up and help ES without harming the shorts on the NQ either too.
I
Right?
guess that's a good way to look at it, Dave. I like that. Everybody wins, right?
It's not always about the trade. It's about how you manage it.
Yeah, that's true.
They got a good amount of orders stacked up here at 56, 57. So could be a solid wall of resistance.
Yeah,
Or we
and
could just plow right through them.
looking like some orders came on quite a bit down there, 47.50 or 47.25 or something.
I got him at 49. It's definitely a battle right now.
I think this is just a lower high from the previous 5 minute. I think it's just a lower high. That's all it is.
Yeah, I don't disagree, Nick. That's what it's looking like. This is when it gets tough trading all-time highs.
Yeah.
Yeah, you expect it to keep going in the same direction, but all right, now just added in, sorry. You expect it to keep going in the same direction. It's going to keep going up, right?
Until it doesn't.
Yeah, until it bites you in the ass.
I'm not going to let this
That's
go
Trump is speaking.
if it does come down here.
You say Trump's opening his yap again?
Yeah, that's what Chuck said in the chat. Trump speaking.
Great.
Yeah. Trump praises the stock market.
So you can see there was orders at 49 that came off. Then they moved them down here to 47. So this could be favoring the short side of the move down. Let's see if we can hold this New York VWAP. I'm probably going to look to get out of this trade if we just cut back through these two VWAPs.
That's what I was thinking too. If we get a closure below the overnight VWAP there, might as well cut that. Dow is pulling back a little bit with NQ finding a little bit of support though off that previous day VWAP. Austin's short again. 51.
Scalpy. Did he close the first one for profit?
Yeah, he closed it up $81. It looks like.
Nice.
And he just got in at this 51.25, like right at the overnight view up there.
He's really finding his grooves copy trading and scalping.
Nice.
Why can't NQ be more like gold this morning? Such an easy short off the high of day open.
I've been thinking about trying to watch gold a bit more. Maybe just get like an eval account and just only trade it in the eval and just try to like learn it a bit, because I just see a lot of people trading it. So
this is like watching paint dry, guys.
Yeah, this is
getting close to cutting it here.
boring as hell.
Candle closes here. I'm waiting for a 5-minute closure. If we get a closure below those VWAPs, think about cutting it early. Fear and greed index has fear right now.
All right.
43 fear. Not super fearful, but a little bit on that
Not
side.
super fearful.
Well, yeah, it's like they got like a horseshoe band, right? And it's kind of like, it's almost like at midnight, but it's at like maybe 11 p.m. if you were to think of the horseshoe as like a clock, being midnight being the top middle.
See if
NQ
NQ
is
can
trying
buff.
to go higher here, but it's getting rejected by the New York. One minute left on this 5-minute candle. We did just take the overnight.
Yeah, look at the 15. This is not going to be up for, and there it goes.
Oh, and now look at those orders come on at 67.45. This is just going to be a grind, man.
36 seconds on this candle. Starting to feel like I need a coffee.
Me too.
I'm just going to sit back here with my arms on my head.
I mean, it's not good for Nick, but if we can take that New York on NQ, that's going to be pretty huge for.
Hey, shut your pretty whore mouth.
Sorry.
Uh,
And
Along
looks
with you,
like
Dave.
we aren't closing that 5-minute candle below that VWAP. So
everybody in the chat doing? Where are we sitting here, guys? Who's in trades? Is it just the three of us on stream?
yeah.
Yeah, we're the
Feels
only ones
like it.
dumb enough to be in anything right now, I think.
I gotta. Nice, Michael. I gotta remember I'm wearing a mic on my shirt. So if I step in to go away to the washroom, I gotta turn the mic off, unless you guys are gonna hear me go to the washroom.
That's yeah, great.
Uh-oh.
Michael said it best. I want nothing to do with this.
Yeah, it's not a very good price action, that's for sure.
Well, we got Daniel Long. We got NCFWMM short. I just gotta let this, I think, ride a little bit, Dave. As much as I want to cut the trade.
Yeah.
Well, you just look at NQs kind of sideways. And NQ is actually on the 1 minute is putting in higher lows on previous days New York, where YM is starting to like come down a little bit, but sitting on its New York.
Yeah, but that's on a 1 minute.
You want to
Take
put
a
it on
look
a
at
tick chart?
15. What's that?
I'm going to put it on a tick chart.
No. You can put it on whatever you want to. I have faith in my theory here. Putting my take profit at opening range low.
How many contracts you in? 2 minis?
Yeah.
Oh, so you can 20 points is a decent profit on that, right?
Oh yeah. Very nice.
I don't know how to do the math on NQ, so
20
hey,
bucks.
hey, look at this. I'm out.
There you go. Beautiful.
Nick, you are a great person. You know that. I'm glad you're here.
I mean, I don't know about all that. I try.
So it was like 12 or 15 points you got there?
Let me see. With my add-in, I got 11 points.
Nice. So
Oh, wait, no. With my add-in, I got 22 points total.
okay.
Nice.
So
So
11 points of movement on 2 contracts.
400 something, roughly. 450.
Sure.
Trevor,
I can't see my profit, my P&Ls ever when I'm trading. I don't do that.
So 20 per point, right? 10, 20, so 10, 200, 400. Yeah, like 440 or something.
Why you got to do that to me, Dave?
But
I honestly, I don't like looking at my P&L when I'm trading.
okay, sorry.
Oh no, it's fine. I'm out of the trade. I don't care now. But
bad.
while I'm in it, I don't want to see it.
Mm-hmm.
I want to judge by what the candles are doing and whether or not I get a clear indication to get out or in. I don't want to be looking at that number and having it cloud my judgment.
Trevor had a nice short too, Nick. 968 to 943.
Nice.
We
So
don't
good
add
price.
up Nick's P&L, Christine said. Until later.
Oh, David, you cut the trade?
No, I should have.
I'm still in it too, so don't feel bad.
But it's going to stop me out here. I mean, it's like only 3 ticks away right now. Oh, yeah, I'm out. Got me on that wick, so. That was an eval. So
Well, there's it.
You get
wanting to
chopped
tip
out of
over.
it, or
I'm down. Oh shoot! Actually, I need to close this. Unfortunately, I didn't have the right amount of. I was trading on TradingView, and I didn't have the right amount in my stop loss.
There you go. I'm out. I'm out of the trade. So,
So I was up like 100 something in that account. Now I'm down $122.
okay, so I should be out of all of those trades. Do you think it's going to keep me in by, stop me out by a tick? Is it one of those days?
Ugh.
Is it one of those days?
That was my day a couple days ago. Take me out and then go to my TP.
so Randy, just so you know, the traders post entries and exits.
Yeah.
No more than one tick.
Yeah, so yesterday, or the other day, I had not even, let's see today what I got. Look at that, like not even one tick today between the accounts.
Yeah, it's a one tick maximum for
What? That's crazy. Let's go here. Oh, I know on Project X it's gonna all be the same, so.
How many contracts were you in that trade, Randy?
It depends, anywhere from 3 to 5.
Oh yeah, you have it set up different for.
Yeah.
And now we're bouncing.
Of course we are.
We had a pre-market fair value gap on ES at 45 to 46 area, which is basically exactly where we turned around on the candle.
Yeah, I'm with Zara on this. She's calling it a day. Managed to reach a daily target, and not looking forward to the slow chop on NQ. Yeah.
Yeah, good work. Good
Unless
trades,
you're
guys.
helping, it's not.
I would think about taking a long on NQ if we continue this move higher and we end up closing above 979
On NQ.
Yeah, because we formed a 5-minute or is that a 5-minute? Maybe it's a 1-minute fair value gap there, and if we take an inversion there, we could look at taking that. I'll only be looking for roughly 20 points.
Just kind of take it up to the back up to the overnight VWAP.
Yeah, to like the opening of the day open price. But yeah,
The opening range high.
it's a little bit before opening range high, but yes.
So like 25, 3,
01. Yeah.
01.
02, 01 kind of area. But yeah, I would need a candle closure above, like I said, candle closure above 49.78 or 24.978.
I might look to get short here.
We've got a little bit of a ways to get there before that can play out. So short seems like the better better idea right now, currently. So opening range just set. I've been setting an alarm for, or not opening, initial balance. I've been setting an alarm for 1 hour after a trading session just so I can remember to mark that up.
I was gonna take a trade in my copy traded accounts, but I told myself I can only take one trade in those accounts. So
Yeah, fair enough.
I just got to stick to my rules. I almost just broke a rule there.
Don't do it,
But
Randy.
I can take it in this. I can take it in my TOF accounts.
Yeah.
So
Do you have your degenerate account set up?
yeah, I have it. Well, I have two. Well, I got a basket of 350K pro accounts, and then I actually have a single 50K Ignite account that I'm up like 50% profit in. So this one I can swing a little heavier. I can swing 10 micros in it and just go for a quick move. That's what I've been doing with this Ignite account. Where the other one, the pro accounts, because I'm copy trading them in the trailing drawdown, I trade 3 to 5 micros.
Interesting. We actually have
Yeah,
another fair value gap lower on NQ here. Top of it's at 960.
Oh, Dave, if this trade turned around here, I'd be so like not mad, but mad. I don't know what the
Yeah.
right word is.
I'm not mad at you, Randy. I'm just disappointed.
That's even worse.
I know. I'm not mad at this trade. I'm just disappointed.
Yeah, I don't want you to be disappointed in me.
Not in you, just the trade. Just in the candles.
That's Bostic talking. And we just formed a bullish fair value gap on NQ now at 949 to 955.
Yeah, Trevor, I do something similar, but I don't go. It depends. I don't know. It's a tough question. Trevor's asking when we're trading these challenging combines, like, do we trade them heavier? Do you look at the month? Personally, I think you should be finishing it within a month. Like you could finish it within a couple weeks, depending on how you trade. For me, I'm copy trading like 20 combines at a time, so it's I take more of my time on it. But yeah, I think you should be. I'm gonna take a short here, guys.
I just took a short scalp on NQ and got 4 points.
Nice.
Nick, dirty dog.
From the New York?
From sorry, my eyeballs aren't working right. 24,961.40.
Hopefully that answered your question, Trevor. If not, just DM me. We can get into a conversation more about this if you want. What did I get short? 47.75. Think I can take that down to previous days New York?
Take a short, you mean?
Yeah.
You are on the right side of the VWAP.
I don't want to be on the right side of the VWAP.
No.
Fighting VWAP again.
And I had to use the bathroom so bad. Now I'm just gonna have to wait, right?
Where's your behind the charts branded catheter?
Ooh, I need one of those.
You
Then
do?
how do I show you guys? We'd get kicked off of YouTube, man.
No. You just hold it up, still in the packaging. Unused, please.
$49.50.
Randy, you always got to be such a weirdo.
No, I'm just saying. Michael caught a nice short from $49.50. Got 2 points on me.
Nice.
Good deal.
Crazy YM's just kind of falling over slowly, and
Yeah.
I think that's pulling ES down, where NQ is just sitting sideways now.
Yeah, I'm actually in a long on NQ right now on that same eval.
Jeez, we're just all over the place today.
Wait, I took a short on ES and now I'm along on NQ. I'm not really all over the place.
No, like we all are, I'm saying.
Oh,
Like
yeah,
I'm long, then I'm short, now you're long, I'm short.
Gotcha. Yeah, we had this, we formed this fair value gap, so I took a trade in that fair value gap here, targeting about 20 points, which would be below the electronic VWAP on NQ.
I see.
But we got to get above that New York if we're gonna, this is gonna work.
Yeah, NQ's got a lot of action above on bookmap there. Let's see if we can get above those 24,960s. Or we need,
70 area, yeah.
what is that, 740?
Which is also that bearish fair value gap. So if we do pop up and get a closure above, that'd be nice to invert that bearish one.
Interesting.
James McMillan. James is down 100 but not trading any more accounts today. Nice.
Good.
How many trades did you take, James?
A bit tight.
Christine's been short since 52.50. Of course, she's got to show us up. Shouldn't you be packing, Christine?
Yeah,
How are you able to trade and pack at the same time and be in the stream?
You might as well be on this-
just smoking us.
He's smoking probably all right.
There we go. Attempting to take that New York on NQ right now. Didn't get the closure to invert that fair value gap yet, though. Need one more candle here if we're going to go higher. I might also take this in my instant funded account if we get that closure.
Interesting.
Yeah, I'm looking at another NQ short.
No.
965,
James.
somewhere around there.
Yeah, that's the top of those wicks for sure.
Just put your hands back for a sec. Relax. Think about the trade. Do the Evan. Do the good old Evan pose, if anybody knows what that is. Where he just puts his hands up and he goes like
Oh,
Mr.
yeah,
Burns.
That Zen position.
Mr. Burns, but I don't think Evan would know
Oh,
who
yeah.
Mr. Burns is.
Mr. Burns, yeah. That's true. He's always doing that, isn't he?
Yeah. He's always sitting there doing that.
Evan's always got that relaxed, like half smile on his face that it either instills calmness in you, or if you're in a trade that's going against you, you just want to punch him. Not really, but
Yeah.
kinda.
we got here?
We have conflicting fair value gaps.
Where was the initial balance set at? Oh, so we're just below it. So where would it be here? So this is IB low, 746.50. Kind of where we're sitting right now.
Holy chop.
I'm going to the bathroom, guys. I can't wait. I'm literally going to pee my pants.
Let this trade play out. You got this.
751, so I want to make that.
Oh, some volume coming in there.
Really? Right when I'm going to go to the bathroom? Man the ship,
And
guys.
I'm in a short.
You just got in
I
that.
kind of want to add to my position.
36 on this candle here.
What this guy got on here? I got 6.5 points, so.
Ooh, I'm almost out of my on my eval trade here. There, I'm out. I'm out on that eval trade. That one hit. Recovered. I'm now in profit on that eval. Covered that.
What a
loss.
candle on NQ.
Dude.
Literally from previous days, New York, straight up and stops at overnight VWAP.
I'm actually gonna also take a long here on my in my funded account here. I'm not going to be targeting too much though on this. I'm only looking for point of control. Can't get up there now.
What is Rosh Hashanah?
It's a
Is that some
Jewish
sort of holiday?
It's a Jewish holiday.
Ah. Michael's like, all my fellow members of the tribes are not at their banking desks. He's saying why the market is so tight today. I'm gonna add into my
So NQ went up to VWAP, got rejected. I'm still in my short.
Yeah, I just added to my trade. Bring my to there. Let's see what happens. Good job on your long, Dave. Nice exit.
Yeah, it worked out really good. Right to the tick actually on that eval account.
Oh, hell yeah. That was
NQ on my other accounts, and it's pulling back on me pretty hard.
Oh, you did get in another long?
Yeah.
I heard you saying you were thinking about it. I don't know if you actually took the long. You were saying in your funded accounts or something, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Copy traded funded accounts down 350 right now on this trade.
Oh, Michael said it's a Jewish New Year.
Should we be breaking plates or something, or what should we be doing?
Only if you want to say Molotov.
Mazel tov.
I was making a stupid joke, all right?
I know you were. So was I.
All right.
That one we're gonna clip it and put it on the internet, okay, Nick? We'll see how much hate mail we get.
There's your hate mail.
Is this trade going to be?
So my
risky?
short played out well in the NQ.
Yeah, yeah.
You just took it
Um,
from VWAP to VWAP?
I took it from VWAP down. I closed it at 24,953.
Nice.
So I got 19 points on it, I think. And it was 3 minis.
I can see the allure of scalping NQ. It's just so like scalpable. That's
Yeah,
the
you
right
can
word.
get those 5 points or 7 points or whatever real fast.
Yeah, but it can go against you really fast too.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, because
100%.
if you entered at 60, right, and it went to 74.
Well, my first entrance was at 60, 62, and then I added 2 at 70. Yeah, 72.
Nice.
Look at YM just bounced off its overnight. That happened quite fast. I did not notice that.
Yeah, NQ is going to go down.
This second long isn't looking good for me. Just killing these eval or these funded accounts here.
That's the one thing I don't like about trading evals first and then trade going into a funded account.
Yeah, should have taken that on the funded account.
Like, do we have our best moves in the first hour, 2 hours of the market open? And then we catch those moves and then we get confident, even a little bit of overconfidence, and then we go take them in our funded accounts and get smoked.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm in another NQ short.
Very nice, sir.
Nick, just on a little bit of a tear today. How many trades you gonna take?
This is my, what, 3rd or 4th?
I don't know. I lost count.
And I'm out.
Beautiful.
So that was 2 minis on NQ short. I got, oh shit, I got 9 points on that.
Nice.
All right, I'm done for
Another
the day.
400.
I am done for the day.
Nice, Nick.
They were all winners. I'm not going to push my luck after this.
Yeah, no doubt.
Oh, I just got 3. Okay, so 3 of my funded accounts now have more than $10,000 in buffer in them.
Nice.
Wow.
So I can switch those ones over to
trade
larger
with higher.
size. I can
Nice.
start trading larger size with those ones now. It's literally $313 over.
Let's go. What firm are those ones with?
These ones are Elite Trader funded.
Nice.
Elite, yeah, ETF.
Did you get Tick yet?
Not yet. That's one of the few that I haven't even really looked into yet.
I put on a different shirt today. It's a little bit thicker, and now I'm feeling the heat. Yeah,
Is it the shirt or is it the trade?
it's a little of both, I think. In the hot seat.
Feeling a little toasty.
Yeah. I mean, this trade isn't like dead deal yet. Like, yeah, we did get a pullback further than I was expecting on that, but it is looking like a higher low currently.
YM is back above its New York. shit.
Oh, Christine got back to almost a break even.
Very nice.
Nice
Oh,
job.
nice. My battery actually might die on my laptop, guys.
And you got that thing plugged in?
Yeah, it's because I have all the monitors and I have it plugged into like a USB-C charger, like a travel charger I'm trying. I got a couple different ones.
Okay.
It worked good yesterday, but I had the laptop fully charged before I started it, like before I turned the stream and all that on. And today it was like I let the battery kind of drain down to see what happens. So now I know that the battery's got to be fully charged before I start.
All right, Jordan, have a good one.
Cheers, Jordan. Hopefully that's on your new TOF challenge account that you, was it a funded account or challenge account that you won on stream there? Jordan won the account last Friday on stream with the SFX.
Nice.
The duck race. Anyways, we'll find out on Thursday if you're already gone, Jordan. No worries. Oh, funded. Nice. Cool.
That's a good account. Good account to win.
Thursday, guys, we'll do some giveaways, man. We've been slacking on this end too, so I will figure it out with Dave and Christine and Nick, and maybe we'll see if Thomas wants to come join us, and we'll get some accounts, some giveaways going.
I want to sign up for a giveaway. What are you giving away?
You can't sign up for a giveaway. You're on the stream. It doesn't count.
I was kidding. I'm not gonna. No, I wouldn't do that.
Just be like, I can't stream today, guys, and then go in the
Yeah, can't stream. I
enter.
can't stream with you guys today. I'm gonna go in the chat and sign up for a 45-minute duck race. All right, guys.
I'm gonna get out of here too, Dave. My battery's literally
I'm
gonna
done.
die in just 2 minutes here, and I'm gonna switch
Plug
over to
that
my
in,
next
Randy.
one.
Yeah,
I'll just
let's
try.
we can wrap it up. It's good. I gotta hit the road.
I'll keep you guys posted on the outcome of this trade. I'll definitely have something up on Instagram later. You'll see how it went. So
Yeah, let us know.
I'm just
Thanks,
gonna
you
let it-
guys.
Yeah. Well, thanks
Nice,
for coming,
nice
man.
work on everyone's part.
Yeah. Except for this long that I'm in.
Well, one of
Well, I
us is
thought you
gonna
cut
do
out of
something
that.
right here, Dave. You or me. One of us will have some luck. So
Why don't I get out of that? You said?
No, I said I thought you got out of it.
Oh no, not yet.
NQ looks like it's putting in a lower high, a high low.
Still holding that lower high so far. So
Yeah. Okay. Well, cheers, guys.
All right,
I gotta
guys.
literally,
See you guys.
my pants are gonna explode.
all right, later.
See, that's how you